Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I welcome you all to my YouTube video channel Comprehensive Pharmacognosy Review. Today's topic under discussion in pharmacognosy is winter remedies to be used for relief in colds, rhinovirus colds, influenza, asthma, whooping cough, coughs, long-standing colds and chest congestion and fever.
Echinacea is used for action against rhinovirus colds. Elderberry is used for the treatment of influenza. The green or purple radish pods have a common name in Indo-Pak subcontinent by the name of mongra. The ingredients include ascorbic acid, folic acid, potassium, vitamin B6, riboflavin, magnesium, copper and calcium. 20 calories largely from carbohydrates are present in 1 cup of sliced red radish bulbs. The green radish pods are used as an alternative treatment for whooping cough, cancer, coughs, gastric discomfort, liver problems, constipation, dyspepsia, gallbladder problems, arthritis, gallstones and intestinal disorders.
During the winters, if salt is added into the Kashmiri tea, it brings relief in the symptoms of sore throat. This is a popular drink used in Indo-Pak subcontinent, especially during the winters. The benefits of salted green tea, also known as Kashmiri tea, noon tea or noon chai, alleviates anxiety and stress, helps protect against cognitive decline, helps support bone health, improves longevity, lowers cholesterol, may enhance memory, may manage and prevent type 2 diabetes, might lower stroke risk. In winters, salted green tea relieves symptoms of mild sore throat. Tips for consuming green tea. Whether you sip your green tea iced or hot, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Be mindful of your sweetener. Consider buying naturally decaffeinated green tea. Get creative. When is the best time to drink green tea? The caffeine in green tea is a stimulant increasing alertness and keeping you awake. You may drink a cup of green tea in the morning as a substitute for coffee for an energy boost. In contrast, caffeine generally stays in your body for up to 6 hours. So avoid green tea too close to bedtime. Consider pairing a cup of green tea with food. Caffeine increases the amount of acid in your stomach, which may cause an upset stomach and heartburn. Types of green tea. There are several types of green tea including beverages, including bottled drinks, decaf options and tea powders. Dietary supplements, that is green tea extract. Topical ointments such as Viregrel, Syncatitions, which treats genital warts. One of the most common types of green tea is Sencha, typically made in Japan. Sencha includes Bancha and Matcha. Bancha has less caffeine and L-theanine, while Matcha has the highest amounts. Let's start the discussion with the making of Kashmiri tea, also known as noon tea or noon chai. But before that, hi everyone, I am Tariq Sultan.
Recipe of Kashmiri or noon tea or noon chai, also known as pink tea. This is a remedy for mild sore throat. Take water 2 cups, add cinnamon stick 1, green cardamom 10 to 11, cloves 3 to 4, star anise, dried flowers 1 to 2, edible salt half teaspoon, Kashmiri tea leaves 2 tablespoons, baking soda 1/4 of a teaspoon. Mix well, bring it to boil, mix well and cook on medium flame until it reduces to 1/4 of a cup of its quantity. Add chilled water 2 cups. Repeat the process of mixing and cooking until it reduces to 1/4 cup of its quantity. Add chilled water again 3 cups. Mix well, bring it to boil, mix well and cook on medium until it reduces to 2 cups. Strain. This makes 2 cups of kava tea brew, enough for 6 to 8 cups. Can be stored in refrigerator for up to 1 week. Take milk 3 cups, bring it to boil. This process prepared kava, that is tea brew, 3/4 of a cup or as required. Mix well and cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add almonds sliced 1 tablespoon. Add pistachios sliced 1 tablespoon. Pistachios sliced are used for garnishing. Serve with sugar or salt. If used with salt, then this can be used as a remedy to treat mild sore throat. Green tea may cure the breast cancer.
These Victorian egg flip recipes 1862 and 1863 stem from an earlier drink. The term flip, first used in 1695, describes a mixture of beer, rum and sugar heated with a red hot iron like an iron poker heated in the fire. The Massado or egg flip is a Goan household remedy for the common cold. But there is no restriction, you need to have it only when you catch a cold or in the cold season. The drink is like an eggnog, tastes yummy and can even be given to children after reducing the coffee. The drink is rich in protein and will help build one's immunity. We would wait for the weather to turn cold and to be served this at breakfast by our mothers. Recipe of egg flip. This is a Goan Home Remedy for long-standing cold and chest congestion.
Take 1 egg yolk, preferably of a brown desi egg. Add to it 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Whisk till the sugar dissolves completely. This will take a few minutes and the color will lighten. Add to it 1 tablespoon of brandy. This is optional. Whisk. Add to it 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. Add 1 cup boiling hot water. Now immediately pour this into the yolk mixture. Give it a stir. Drink this while warm. This must be had early in the morning on an empty stomach. Drink it quickly when warm. Repeat this for 3 to 4 mornings. Recipe of Ayurvedic Kashaya to reduce cold, cough and flu. This is a natural home remedy. Take black pepper 1 teaspoon. Add to it dry ginger 2 inches. Cinnamon 1 inch. Cardamom 4 pods. Cloves 6. Coriander seeds 1 tablespoon. Cumin 3/4 of a tablespoon. Ajwain, thyme 1/4 of a teaspoon. Pound coarsely. Kashaya powder is now ready. Take water 1 liter. Add to it kashaya powder. Mix well. Boil for 10 minutes until flavors are infused. Recipe of lemon soup to reduce cold, cough and flu. This is the best home remedy. Take oil 2 teaspoons. Ginger 2 inches finely chopped, garlic 4 cloves finely chopped, saute slightly, add capsicum 3 tablespoons chopped, carrot 3 tablespoons chopped, sweet corn 3 tablespoons, spring onions 2 tablespoons chopped, saute for 2 minutes. Now it turns aromatic. Add water to it 1 liter, add edible salt 3/4 of a teaspoon, add black pepper half teaspoon crushed, mix well, boil for 10 minutes, add coriander 2 tablespoons chopped, add lemon juice of half lemon. It is mixed well until flavors are infused. Lemon soup is now ready to be served.
Recipe of golden milk to reduce cold, cough and flu. This is the best home remedy.
Take milk 2 cups, add to it turmeric powder 1/4 of a teaspoon, add black pepper half teaspoon crushed, mix well, boil until flavors are infused. Golden milk is now ready to be served.
Recipe of traditional Indian drink kadha. This is a natural remedy to reduce cough and cold in one day.
The first remedy is a traditional Indian drink kadha. Kadha is a mix of herb and spices that can help boost the immune system and reduce cold and cough symptoms. To make kadha, you will need half a teaspoon grated ginger, 2 to 3 hand crushed basil or tulsi leaves, a pinch of cinnamon powder and a pinch of black pepper powder. Boil all these ingredients with 1.5 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain the kadha and drink it warm. You may add honey to it too. Drink this kadha 2 to 3 times in a day to get relief from cold and cough.
This is a natural remedy, gargling with salt water to soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. The second remedy is gargling with salt water. Gargling with salt water can help soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Simply mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water, gargle with it for 30 seconds and spit it out. You can do this several times a day for best result. This is a natural remedy. Drink warm water with lemon to boost immune system and reduce inflammation. The third remedy is drinking warm water with lemon. Drinking warm water will help flush out toxins from the body, while lemon can help boost immune system and reduce inflammation. So squeeze a few drops of lemon juice into warm water and drink this water throughout the day to help alleviate cold and cough symptoms. This is a natural remedy, getting fresh air outside to improve mood and reduce congestion. The fourth remedy is getting fresh air. Staying indoors or in stuffy, air-conditioned rooms or office throughout the day can make cold and cough symptoms worse. So take a break and get some fresh air outside. This can help improve your mood and reduce congestion. Don't let this cough and cold to make you feel low? Try these traditional tips and you will get better quickly.
Let's discuss the 16 benefits of moringa. Protecting and nourishing skin, treating edema, protecting the liver, preventing and treating cancer, treating stomach complaints, fighting against bacterial diseases, making bones healthier, treating mood disorders, protecting the cardiovascular system, helping wounds to heal, treating diabetes, treating asthma, protecting against kidney disorders, reducing high blood pressure, improving eye health, treating anemia and sickle cell disease. Equally important are the side effects of moringa. Moringa may possess anti-fertility qualities and is therefore not recommended for pregnant women.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing of my videos. It's bye for now.